Hello, everybody. Are you aware about the clash that is going on in Bollywood right now between producers and exhibitors? If yes, then please give your opinion in the comment box below, and if not, then watch this video till the end. Well, there is a film called Gulabo Sitabo, directed by Sujit Sarkar. He's a very famous director. The producer of that film have decided to release the film directly on OTT platform, and the OTT platform that they have got the deal with is Amazon Prime, and the film is going to be released on it's going to be premiered on June 12th this year itself. And the problem is, since they have bypassed the theaters, Inox, PVR, and Carnival Cinemas have come up with their statements that, and they have said that since it's an emergency situation, the situation is not normal. We should hold our hands together, and we should not bypass each other, and we should be a close knit together. Because Bollywood has been like has been like that only. Theaters, distributors, and the producers. The problem maybe with the producer is that since producers take money from somebody or maybe some bank as loan, and they have to repay the loan with some interest. That since the film is really is ready for release since last few months, and nobody knows when the lockdown is going to be over, and when the theaters are going to be open. So because of that, probably they have directly chosen to go to the OTT so that they can pay the salary to their own employees of the production house, and the interest doesn't go higher than their limit, that something that they can repay, and they have to pay the repay the loan as well. So that may be the problem with them, and it must have been a very hard decision for them. That's what they have said. It has been a very hard decision. If you talk about Inox, PVR, and Carnival, they have come up with their statements. Inox have said that they will not be releasing any film in future from the same producer because you are bypassing us. Without films, we will not be able to run the theaters. So that's a problem, and I am sure Cinepolis and Single Screens will join them very soon. So this is the clash going on. They have bypassed them, and they are saying how can the filmmaker or the producer do that. The problem is that since the film is released, film is ready for release, and nobody knows when the theaters are going to be open. So if I think from the point of view of the producers, yes, they have all the right to choose the best thing for them so that they can earn some money and can pay the salary to their own employees of the production house, and can pay back the loan. And if I think from the side of the multiplexes, then yes, without films they are nothing, and how the producer can bypass them? If they do that, theaters will be left with nothing. Every other producer will be doing the same. So this is the tension going on. But if you talk about me, then if this is the condition, which is just like an emergency, if a few people have found out a way to come out of that situation, so other people should not stop them, right? Because what I'm saying is that if the producers of the film are able to escape the situation by directly going to the OTT, don't think every other producer will be doing the same, because when the lockdown is over, films will be back to theaters. No producer makes a film for OTT. They make the film for theaters. So other people will not be bypassing them. This is a temporary situation that we should come together and hold each another's hand. So if they are going to OTT, I think the exhibitor should support them. On the other hand, the producer should not think of the same when the theaters are open. They should hold their hands together, because without theaters, producer will not be getting the amount that they will get with the help of the support with the help of the exhibitors. And mind you one thing, Amazon Prime will give at least 50 to 60% extra amount to the producer now, because they are getting the film premiered on them without being beamed at theaters. So they must what the producers have got will be getting now from Amazon Prime will be much more than what they would have got if the film would have released. But at the same time, they are not going to get any theatrical revenue. So the situation is complex, but I think they should allow the producers to stream the film on Amazon Prime, and they should not take any kind of a stand like what they have done. They will not be releasing any film from the same production house in future. They should not do that. But yes, even the producer should not play smart. Whenever they are making movies, they should release to the theaters, and every other producer should not do the same when the lockdown is over. So this is what I think. You can give your opinion in the comment box. It's a complex situation. We have never faced these things. Let's hope for the best. But what they have decided, that is fine. It's a small film. It's not a Salman Khan film. Whenever it is released, people will storm the theaters. No. So what they are doing, I'm fine with that. But every producer should not do the same when the lockdown is over. Thank you so much. Give your opinions in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Thank you.